In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save email address in Outlook automatically. By the end, Outlook will remember the people you write to and suggest their addresses the next time you start typing, which saves time and helps avoid typos. First, open Outlook on your computer. This walkthrough applies to the classic desktop version for Windows, where the ribbon and the File tab are visible at the top. Once Outlook is open, head to the top left corner and click File. This takes you to the Backstage view where you control app level settings rather than individual messages. Next, choose Options. A new Outlook Options window will open. This is where you'll find all the preferences that affect how Outlook behaves. In the left sidebar of the Options window, click Mail. The right side will change to show all settings related to composing, sending and receiving messages. Now scroll down until you reach the section labelled Send Messages. We're looking for a checkbox that controls Outlook's autocomplete list, which is the feature that remembers and suggests addresses you use. Find the option that says Use autocomplete list to suggest names when typing in the to, CC and BCC lines, and check that box. This setting tells Outlook to automatically capture addresses you've sent messages to and offer them as suggestions as you type. It's important to know that this doesn't add people to your contacts. Instead, it builds a predictive list based on your activity. That's actually useful because it keeps things lightweight and focuses on the addresses you really use. When you're done, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes and close Outlook options. From now on, as you begin typing in the to, CC or BCC fields, Outlook will show a short list of matching suggestions pulled from your recent recipients. Select the right one and you're ready to go. A few quick tips to make the most of this feature. Over time, the suggestions become smarter as Outlook sees which addresses you pick. If you work across multiple computers, the list may or may not follow you depending on your account type and Outlook version. Business accounts on Microsoft 365 often roam, while some standalone setups keep the list local. And remember, if your Outlook looks a bit different, the setting name is the same and still lives under Mail settings. That's all there is to it. You've enabled Outlook's autocomplete so it can remember and suggest email addresses automatically, helping you compose messages faster and with fewer mistakes.